At the end of this video, you should be able to remember and recall 4 basic formulae and 3 basic questions, answers to 3 basic questions. So here in the screen, what you are seeing as an exclamation mark in mathematics is known by the name of factorial. It is pronounced as factorial, and 6 factorial, any number factorial, you can be able to find out. So example is 6 factorial equal to 6 into 5 up to 1, and notice that 6 factorial can also be written as 6 into 5 factorial. So we can do this for any number n factorial, and n factorial can also be expressed as n minus 1 factorial into n or n into n minus 1 factorial. You need to know what factorial is in this chapter before entering this chapter. So now you can write the factorial of any number. So 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120. Next, chapter's name is Permutation and Combination. So there will be 2 functions or formulas, one involving a C, capital C, and one involving capital B. These 2 formula you have to memorize. Now you have learned factorial, so you can understand and you can easily find out factorial of any number. So now you can easily find out example 5c3, you must be able to find out, and then any npr for any value of n and r you can find out. So try to memorize these 4 formula, and this is so basic that you will automatically learn them. One way is this, second way is, third way is. So there are many ways. These 4 coins can be arranged in so many different ways, but exactly in how many ways can these be arranged? The answer is 4 factorial. Therefore, x things can be arranged in x factorial ways. This is the first thing to remember. Way is I select these 2 coins, or I select these 2, or I select these 2. So in this case, the order does not matter. If I select these 2, then I have selected rupees 2 and rupees 1. It does not matter where is the placement of rupees 1 coin and rupees 2 coin. I am only selecting or choosing. There are 4 C2 ways in which 2 coins can be selected or chosen from 4 coins. This you have to remember. First we have to choose, and then the order matters because we have to arrange also. So 2 coins can be chosen in, suppose I choose these 2, then this will be termed as 1, and this another arrangement will be termed as second. These 2 things now are different because we have to first choose 2 coins and then we can arrange them in 2 different ways, isn't it? Suppose I choose these 2 coins, so this is one arrangement and this is another arrangement. So we will count this as two ways. How many ways can this be done? The answer is 4p2. Therefore, in permutation there is both selection and then arrangement, whereas in combination there is only selection. Says choose or select 4 coins from these 4 coins. So I select all these 4 and then I have to arrange them. So notice that when 4 coins have to be chosen from these 4, then this question becomes exactly similar to the first question. Therefore 4p4 must be equal to 4 factorial, isn't it? You can verify it also by yourself by putting the values 4 and 4 in the formula of 4p4. You will find the answer is 4 factorial. So appreciate this discovery that question 1 and question 3 are related and they become exactly similar when this 2 is replaced with 4.